The screen glows late at night while you search for that perfect piece of jewelry. You type a famous brand name into the search bar. You click the top result because it looks exactly like what you need. The photos are crisp. The price is filmed like a tot of steel. You click buy without a second thought. But then the days turn into weeks. The weeks turn into a month. This is the trap so many people are falling into with a site called Pangama. It is a classic case of things being too good to be true. Shoppers are getting lured in by links that look like they belong to a massive jewelry giant. They think they are buying high-quality charms from a brand they trust. Instead, they are ending up on a sketchy website that is leaving a trail of angry customers behind. The feedback is honestly some of the worst I have ever encountered. We are looking at a total lack of transparency. People are reporting that their tracking numbers are completely useless. You click the link to see where your package is, and it just says, pending for weeks on end. If a box finally does land on your doorstep, the disappointment is immediate. The items often look nothing like the photos. They feel light and flimsy. They look like cheap plastic or low-grade metal instead of the sterling silver you were promised. A few people have said the pieces at least fit their bracelets, but that is a tiny silver lining in a very dark cloud. The review scores are hovering around a 1.5 out of 5. That is basically as low as it gets. People are shouting from the rooftops to stay away. If you try to get a refund, the real headache begins. Customer service is practically non-existent. You might get an automated reply if you are lucky. Most people just get ignored. If they do offer a return, they tell you that you have to pay the shipping costs yourself. You end up spending $30 or $40 just to send a tiny charm back to a warehouse in China. Then the company claims the package never arrived. You are left with no jewelry and no money. It is a cycle of frustration that never seems to end. Security sites are flagging this place as a high-risk zone. They see the low trust scores and the shady redirect tactics. It is designed to catch people who are browsing quickly. It targets shoppers who want the look of luxury without the price tag. But you are not actually getting a bargain here. You are just paying for a massive stress headache. There is no shortcut to quality. When a site mimics a famous brand name just to get clicks, it is a huge red flag. You should always double-check the URL before you enter your credit card details. Look for the actual brand name in the address bar. If something feels off, it usually is. Do not let a pretty picture in a social media ad trick you. This site is a perfect example of why we have to stay guarded. The internet is full of these pop-up shops that disappear as soon as they get enough money. Protect your bank account and stick to retailers with a real reputation. The shiny charm on your screen is not worth the months of fighting for your money back. Just walk away and find a source you can actually verify. Your peace of mind is worth much more than a cheap knockoff that might never even show up in the mail.